Last time we have talked about praise and behavior. Now, after praise, the next important behavioral point which comes into play is service. The word service. Now, it's a bad word nowadays because nobody wants to do service. But the thing is that if one wants to get higher, and one wants to get out of hell, and one wants to improve one's situation, and one wants to evolve, one has to have a service attitude towards higher and divine. But these days people usually have they are asking questions and mostly please help me, everybody has this help me, and I'm going to ask questions and help me. Now the thing is that real help comes to those who have a service attitude instead of help me attitude or asking questions attitude. You don't gain anything. People think they'll gain something just by asking questions or help me, please help me, and not doing anything in return. They don't want to do anything. They just want higher and divine to do something for them. But they don't want to do anything for higher and divine. So that kind of attitude can never actually help you. Even though you think that you're gaining something, like if your question gets answered or you think you've gotten some help, but in reality, nothing will really help you in that way. Only when you think in terms of serving higher and divine, and everybody, anybody in any situation can serve higher and divine. Everybody has some way in which they can serve. No matter what situation they are in, no matter what position they are in. Everybody can serve higher and divine from their vantage point. But one should first have that inclination. That should be one's drive to do that. And when you get that inclination, when you get that drive, which comes after praising higher and divine, then only do you get the benefits of evolution. That's how you evolve. That's how you get out of your bad state. If your intent is clearly to serve, not to ask for help. Because people's mind and ego fools them into thinking that asking for help and asking questions and all of that will give them some gain suddenly, and they'll get something without actually giving anything. They won't have to do anything, they'll just put their demands. It's like demanding attitude. You demand, you demand my question be answered. You demand that you have to help me. It's all demanding attitude. So the demanding attitude will only take you to hell. One should never demand anything from higher and divine. One should be ready to serve. One should say I'm ready to serve higher and divine. And then only you get real gains. Then you actually gain. In other things, you just have a false notion that you're getting some gain, but you're not getting any gain really. Yeah. It's a temporary kind of satisfaction you get that I got something for nothing. It's a temporary kind of illusion and delusion you get that I got something for nothing. Okay, but in reality, you didn't get anything. Even in ancient Vedic times, all the Guru thing was based on service. All disciples served the Guru in the Vedic parampara, in the Vedic Guru Shishya parampara. Okay, so it was based on service only. Everything always was based on the foundation of service. If you don't serve the Guru or you don't serve that, then whatever knowledge you think you're getting from it, it'll never be of any use for you. You cannot apply it, and there's nothing there for you in it. So these days people have all this internet, or people have books, people read books, people go on internet or get things through there and that thing, and people think that they're gaining something and they're gaining knowledge. But all of that knowledge is useless. It's just information. Unless one actually praises and then serves higher and divine.
Wow. That's
So
not
any real gain is only going to come from that. And any lasting knowledge inside you, which is actually helpful to you and which will actually give you gain, will only come from the attitude of praise and then service. Without service, nothing. Like people always want something for nothing. So that's their whole thing. So if you go to if they come across higher and divine, it's always like questions and please help me. Okay, I want this, I want that, help me get this, help me get that. That's all there is.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
with that attitude,
Yes.
the only place you can go to is hell. And nothing good is going to happen for you. But people just don't understand that the only good which happens for you really in any short term and long term is when you have a praising and then a serving attitude towards higher and divine. Which very few people today have. Everybody is always just in demand mode. Or completely, if they're not demanding, then they are like sort of neutral, like, yeah, like I don't want anything from you, you don't want anything from me, kind of cold mode.
Right.
So either they're in a demand mode or they're in a cold mode. Like, but neither takes you anywhere out of your situation.
Yes, nothing else.
Yeah, your situation will only get worse in time if you have that kind of attitude. The attitude should be, what can I do for you? Not what you can do for me, to higher and divine.
Of course.
So if you actually serve, if you have the attitude to service towards higher and divine, you will get much more from higher and divine. Then you put in. But if you don't have that at all, and if you just demand, you get nothing. Okay. Even though you think you're getting something, but you're not getting anything. Nothing lasting, nothing useful, nothing which will take you out of worlds of pain, hell and torture. So that is an important point which people need to understand. And this thing is so widespread that I had to say this because it's just everywhere. Like majority, more than 90% of people have this attitude whenever they approach higher and divine. So I'm just setting the record straight that that's not how you gain anything.
No knowledge, no gain.
So one has to praise first, create a atmosphere where one is actually praising higher and divine, which is a natural thing to do, and after praising, serving is the natural thing to do. So it's the natural flow, it's the natural way of the multiverse. Praise and then serve. If you just stop at praise and do not take it to serve, then again you are stopping the natural flow. And then again, no use. So one has to go with the natural way, which is after praising, you will feel like serve. So, and when you do feel like that, one has to. So people think that they're being selfish by actually like wanting something for nothing, but that doesn't get them anywhere. It doesn't do anything for the self. So if you're selfish, even like something good should happen for the self, like, but nothing good happens for the self from that. Okay, so there's no point to it. Okay, so like I said before in the previous talk, it's praising, and then which leads to bowing, which leads to serving. So one has to go through all of those steps. Stopping at any one of them before doing the whole thing will not help one in any way at all. So, and if one does all the things, then one can achieve anything in this multiverse. One can get out of cycle of birth and death, one can get out of hell, one can go to higher realms. One can do so many things if one takes the right pathway.